To assemble or disassemble the BetterBanger, start by putting your assembly mat on a flat, level surface. Hold the BetterBanger in your non-dominant hand, locking the assembly rod into place and securing the clamp. Use your dominant hand to pull the thumb tabs down, releasing the clamp. Carefully set the BetterBanger back down on the assembly mat and remove the parts one by one to avoid damage. Remember to only use the assembly rod when assembling or disassembling the BetterBanger. It's made of wood. To assemble the BetterBanger, start at the bottom and work to the top. Carefully line up each piece using the assembly rod to hold the quartz and top in place while you gently rotate the items so that they align correctly. Use the attached photos in the instructional for image references. While holding the BetterBanger securely together with your non-dominant hand, use your dominant hand to pull the thumb tabs down, locking into place. If at any point the BetterBanger feels stuck in place, be sure to stop and check your alignment carefully.